welcome to the Eagle Spicy Kitchen, and you're cooking with the Eagle today. All right, so today we're going to be making some fruit cake. Now, this fruit cake that I'm making, it might be different from the fruit cake that you know, but it's going to be delicious, it's going to be tasty, it's going to be moist, and you will love it. So the first process is that we're going to be doing is that I have in my mixing bowl here 1 pound of butter and 1 pound of brown cane sugar. I have here 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. I have here some chopped nuts, but this is optional. I have here 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have a teaspoon and a half nutmeg. I have about 2 teaspoons of French vanilla. And I have a mix essence here, French vanilla essence here, mixed essence. I have about 1/2 cup of chopped cherry. I have 3.5 pounds of fruits. Now I make this with star fruits. I make my fruits myself from scratch with star fruits, which we call 5 finger. And I also have some prawns and I have some raisin in here. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Eagle Spicy Kitchen. And I have all the measurement in our description box. Also have 12 eggs here. I have a pound of flour here, and I have my baking pan, and I'll show you the process of how I'm preparing the baking pan to put the finishing product to get it baked. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is that we're going to be mixing our butter and our sugar until it becomes light and fluffy. So that's what's going on there. The second thing I'm going to start doing is that I'm going to break my eggs. And so I normally break my eggs one by one. All right? And let me have... So I'm going to start breaking my eggs individually. So the reason I'm doing breaking these eggs individually is if any of the eggs spoil, it would not damage the other eggs. So I want to make sure. I want you to try this recipe and tell me back how your fruit cake came out. All right? What is important, you see these fruits here? You want to make sure you puree it. Pureeing your fruits is very, very important. And I keep those chopped cherries that you see right here. These chopped cherries, I keep them as a little crunch in my fruit cake. So far, all my eggs are looking great. I want to make sure there's no shell inside. And all right, it's Christmas time. Kitchen is smelling good. Right? If you would like one of this beautiful apron, let me know. The Eagle Spicy Kitchen website is coming out soon with all our products. All right, great. So far we have our 12 eggs. And so what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be removing these white little things from here. Making sure all these little white... All right. So now I'm going to be adding in a half a portion of my mixed essence, a half a portion of my vanilla extract essence. And now I'm gonna beat these. So I have my cake batter going on there. It's getting light and fluffy. And I wanna make sure that my eggs are well beat. That essence smells so good. So we're making some fruit cake. So this is 1 pound of fruit cake that I'm making right now. Maybe there are other recipes that you're following, but if you can follow this recipe exact way, it's very important. Listen, I want you to like my channel, all right? Subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, the Eagle Spicy Kitchen. There are a whole lot of recipe more that is coming, so subscribe. Maybe share it with somebody, subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook at Eagle Spicy Kitchen. Like us and follow us on Facebook, all right? All right, my eggs are getting very fluffy and nice here. I'm actually beating my eggs on high speed, all right? All the way. My next step is I'm going to be adding in this. This is a spice, and this is my nutmeg. We're going to go a little slow. I'm beating on high. All right, so my eggs are ready. My cake batter is now ready. So I'm going to incorporating the cake batter. So this is 1 pound of butter, and it's a pound of brown cane sugar. And I'm going to get this thing out here. Right. Right, if you want to come this side. Okay. That's the cameraman changing position. Okay. We're gonna so I'm gonna beat this at low speed. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the rest of my vanilla essence. I'm adding in the rest of the, and so I'm going to mix this. Looking nice so far. Good, everything is looking just the way I want it to look. Move the scale right there. And so now we're gonna be putting our baking powder in our flour. And we're gonna mix this now. So now what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna incorporate this flour in the batter. Okay, making some mess here. All right, so I'm putting the rest of my flour in there. So that's it with my flour. Now I'm mixing this up. See how my batter stick there? That's a good sign. All right. If you want to know you're having a nice cake, just make sure that stands still. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this little bit. You could skip this process if you want. You don't have to add this in. All right. I'm gonna add my cherries. Okay, so fruitcake looking nice. Now I'm gonna start adding my fruits. This one. So I'm gonna be using like about 3 pounds of fruits in my fruitcake. Add the rest of the fruits in here. Fruits smell real good, man, real good. All right, this is the part. And there you have it. Okay, it's our fruit cake. Okay, so now that's our mixture. So now we're gonna prepare the pan. I'm using this because it's gonna release the cake out very nice and simple. So now we're gonna be greasing our pan with butter. Greasing of your pan is very important. Doing the bottom first. Making sure the sides are all greased up. Some people also dust the pan with flour. I really don't dust it. I normally decorate my cakes. I don't like when it's full of crumbs, so I grease my pan well. All right, there you have it. Now I'm going to be pouring. I'm going to be pouring my batter now. Actually, it's going to make sure to see. You don't want to overfill your pan because this cake will rise up. Give it some more. All right, that's it. And now preheat our oven to 300. And as soon as it's ready, we're going to start baking. There it goes. We're going to get this now to the oven. The cake is a little bit hot, but you know, I want to show you the finished product now. All right. So this is our fruits cake. Man, I tell you, this thing look good. Normally I would throw it out. Look how nice it comes out. See, look at that. All right, so let me look at this. Look at this fruit cake. Look at this fruit cake. Wow. Look at that. See, that's a nice fruit cake. Wow. Very spongy, tasty. I feel the nuttiness. Beautiful. All right. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I want you to like, all right, comment, try this recipe. Also like us and follow us on Facebook, all right? Thank you for joining me today. See you next time.